Hi there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to run a search in Recruit CRM using a new UI. So Recruit CRM's advanced search allows you to combine both the Boolean with the column filters, helps you to find the exact records you're looking for. So let's start with our Boolean search. For this, I'm just going to head to my candidate list page. And at the top right corner, I will see a section for Boolean search. So Boolean search lets you search across all profiles in your database using keywords from your resume or CV and profile data fields, including your custom fields. But please note that this search runs across only the file uploaded in the default resume field. You can also combine keywords and use the and, or, and not operators to narrow down your search. So this works as a contained search option. And for example, if I want to search profiles based on keyword like sales, so I'm just going to type the word sales and then click on search. So you will see all the results which have the word sales in them. So these are all the profiles. And you can also see results such as business sales, international sales, sales management, etc. You can also choose to search this. So for example, if I click on this Boolean search section again, I can search through my notes, call logs, tasks, and meetings as well right from here. And if you want to reuse the search later, all you need to do is click on the Save Search option. Type a name for your search, for example, sales. I can then choose to share this with my teammates or not by this toggle and then click on Save. And once the setting is successfully saved, I can go to my Quick View section, just scroll down a bit, and I will see a section for my Save Search. So I can simply pick and choose from here without wasting time to actually manually insert the search and then find my candidates. And if you want to start fresh, all you need to do is click on this reset filter option and you are good to go. Now let's look at the add filter option over here. So you can run searches including your default Recruit CRM fields, your custom fields, and you can combine multiple filters and use different search options for more accurate results. For example, I'm just going to select the total experience to be more than 2 years in this case. And I want the willing to locate option to be yes. So similarly, this will give me all the candidates for which these two criteria match. Apart from the Boolean and filter search, you can also have searches on your activity field. So if I go to my add filter option, I can run searches on my notes, my call logs, my tasks, as well as my meetings right from here. And this makes it easy for you to track your conversations, follow-ups, and interactions all across your database. And that's how you can run an advanced search in Recruit CRM using a new UI. Whether you prefer keyword-based Boolean searches or structural filters, Recruit CRM gives you the flexibility to find exactly what you're looking for. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching and happy recruiting.